Namaste Yogis, I'm Paul and this is Yoganity. Welcome to today's Kriya. It's going to be a really quick and powerful Kriya. This Kriya is all about if you don't have enough time to practice anything, but you really feel like you want to practice something before you get on with the rest of the day, or when you've even finished a busy day. So the Kriya is called rocking and rolling, and we're going to do exactly what it says on the tin. We're going to rock and roll, massaging the spine, the central nervous system. This massage of the spine really helps redistribute the prana, the vital energy within the body, throughout the body, and blocking any pranic blockages or blockages within the energy channels which are running through the body, to bring that balance into the spine, the central nervous system, or what we call in yoga the Sushumna Nadi. Okay, so without any further ado, we're going to sit around about the middle of the mat, have the feet together, the knees together, and hold the knees with the hands. Also, this Kriya is really powerful to strengthen the back of the body, the lower back, the middle back, the upper back, also the core, and it really works with Manipura Chakra, which just sits above the navel. This kind of brings that self-confidence, self-esteem and charisma into your day, into this physical reality as we work with Manipura Chakra also. So it's a really powerful, effective Kriya. We're going to be practicing this for 1 minute. Then we're just going to sit in awareness for around about 30 seconds afterwards and notice any changes within the body and within the system. So we're going to sit exactly as I'm sat now. I'm just going to do a quick demonstration. All we're going to do is roll backwards onto the shoulders and come back forwards. Walk backwards and come back forwards, pressing each vertebrae into the spine, massaging the central nervous system. At the end, we'll just come into a cross-legged seated position, bring the palms to face the sky. We'll just sit in awareness for about 30 seconds like I said. We'll practice this for 1 minute. So without any further ado, let's get into the position. You can close the eyes. And we can start the practice. Let's start to roll backwards, roll forwards. Really massaging the spine, the central nervous system. Building strength within the core, strengthening the back of the body. A balance of the system within the body. Removing any pranic blockages. And the next time you come up, just cross the legs, place the back of the hands on the knees, palms facing up. Keep the eyes closed, attention inside. And just be softly aware, subtle and gentle massage, distribution, pranic and vital energy throughout the body. And detoxifying the central nervous system. And softly coming back, I invite you to open your eyes in your own time. Thank you for joining me in this practice. A really quick, powerful Kriya. If you don't have time, or if you have very little time in the morning, before you go to work, or just a busy day, or after work, really powerful Kriya to bring that balance into the central nervous system, into the body, and throughout the whole pranic system within the body. If you like the video, click like and subscribe. Leave any comments. Do read the description in the video below. There's lots more information about this Kriya. Thank you for joining me in this quick, powerful, beautiful practice, and as always, Namaste.